Hi everyone, my name is Robert, and this is how I make toast. First, you'll need to choose your bread. I chose Texas toast, because I'm from Texas, but you can choose whatever bread you like. Next, you'll need to select your butter. I chose Challenge spreadable butter with canola oil. And last but not least, you'll need a toaster. Mine is a Chefman toaster with 4 slots. So now you need to take out your 4 slices of bread. Now you'll need to turn your dials or settings to your preferred setting. Mine is a 4, which I learned does not mean 4 minutes on most toasters. Next, you'll need to pull down the levers to begin the cooking process. When your toast is done, a trick I learned is to pull the lever up a little bit, and it will bring the toast up so you don't burn your fingertips. There are different shades of toast. The first here is just basically hot bread. This is about what toast should look like. This is starting to be burnt, and this is just not edible for me. Now it's time to butter the toast. I make sure that every bite has a little bit of butter on it. And now enjoy. That's how I make toast.